what dryer vent fire looks like before it happens. That clear box is filling up in seconds. That is years of compressed lint inside of someone's vent. Here's what most people don't realize. Behind the dryer only catches 10%. The rest goes through the duct, build up exactly like that. When that buildup goes in the vent, then the dryer cannot work properly. It works harder, and then it doesn't work properly, and that thing ignites. Dryer fires are the leading cause in Canada of a house fire. If your dryer is taking more than one cycle of a full load, this is what's happening inside of your dryer vent right now. If you can't remember last time that you had it done, send us a message.